curious and anticipatory. What happens when 8 fluffy, yellow bundles of joy meet the vast expanse of water for the first time? Their first swim is more than just a dip. It's a monumental step into their natural world. A world of paddling fun, wobbles, splashes, and maybe even a little bit of fear. Join us as we capture every precious moment and watch these tiny ducklings discover the sheer delight of their aquatic home. As the sun shines down on a tranquil pond, 8 little ducklings waddle out to the edge. The question is, what are they waiting for? And how will they react when they finally get their big surprise? Gentle close-ups of the fuzzy ducklings on the bank. Soft ambient sounds of birds and rustling leaves. They seem curious and excited, but also a little unsure. Are they wondering where their paddling mates have gone? Or perhaps they're hesitant about the water before them. The anticipation builds as we, like them, wonder what's around the corner. A parent duck swims up to the edge and gently nudges one of the ducklings, seemingly encouraging them to join in on the fun. This must be the big moment we've all been waiting for. Will our little friend take the plunge? With soft, slow-motion shots, we see the first duckling tentatively dip its toes into the water, then slowly begin to paddle. There's a mixture of hesitation and excitement in their tiny movements. It's as if they're testing the water to make sure it's as inviting as it looks. The other ducklings gather closely, watching their friend's every move, perhaps taking in the experience before it's their turn to jump in. The moment that first duckling takes the plunge, the others can't resist and they all rush to the water's edge, eager to follow suit. Each has their own brave face, though some are certainly more hesitant than others. With comical wobbles and determined paddle strokes, they all eventually make it into the water. And now the fun really begins. Underwater shots reveal tiny webbed feet propelling them through the water with surprising grace. Above the surface, playful splashes and joyful chirps fill the air as they dive and twist in the water. It's a synchronized dance of pure, unadulterated joy. From above, wide shots capture the full family paddling together, gracefully navigating their watery home. Lush August greenery frames the scene, adding to the tranquility of the moment. The young ducks seem at peace with themselves and their surroundings, fully embodying the beauty of their natural world. As the light fades and the day comes to an end, one little duckling takes a moment to preen, smoothing and fluffing its feathers after a day of paddling and playing. There's a look of pure contentment on its face, a silent thank you to a day well spent. And then, as if on cue, the entire brood swims together in a final heartwarming tableau, a testament to their newfound world and the joys they'll discover within it. One by one, they navigate the water with newfound confidence, their tiny bodies sleek and graceful in the fading light. With a gentle fade out, we leave these little ducklings to their aquatic ballet, knowing that each day will bring new adventures and discoveries to this little corner of paradise. The sounds of nature, birdsong and rustling leaves all fade away, leaving behind a profound sense of peace and the memory of these 8 little ducklings taking their first swim.